This is the fourth OnShape tutorial for the pen project. For this one, we're going to create the upper brass tube that's used for the clip end. All right, sometimes we just call this the upper clip tube. We could draw this the same way we did the lower grip tube. There's only very minor differences, but that would be the hard way to do it. So let's do this the easy way. So for one thing, I want to go over to my lower grip tube, and I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to duplicate that space. When I duplicate that space, I can come over here, right click on the new copy, and rename it. We'll call this upper clip tube. Okay, and you'll notice I did this already, but I'll get rid of this one I did before. Now, these are identical, but in real life they're not. This one actually needs to be shorter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my sketch that defines this one, right click, go to edit, and I'm going to choose the length dimension here. Double click on it and change this to 2.125 or 2 1/8 of an inch, or 2 125 thousandths. When I do that, you'll notice the whole thing shortened, a green check, and now I have a uniquely different brass tube that has all the same geometry other than length that the other one did. So I'll grab this tab, I'll just drag it over to try to keep my tabs organized. And that's it. That one was pretty easy. So go ahead and move on to the next part.